You're asking why your brakes grind or squeal right after a car wash. The short answer is yes, this is normal. And it's not a sign of a mechanical problem. Your brake system relies on clean, dry friction between the brake pad and the bare iron rotor. A car wash introduces three things that disrupt this: chemicals, water, and rust. First, wheel cleaners, which can be acidic, strip away any protective oils and coat the rotor surface. Second, water gets trapped between the pad and rotor. Because your brake pads are slightly porous, they can hold on to some of this moisture. Finally, because your rotors are made of high-carbon iron, the trapped water causes a thin layer of rust, iron oxide, to form almost instantly. That orange film you see isn't just discoloration. It's a gritty, abrasive surface like fine sandpaper. So when you first brake, the pad is trying to grab a surface that is wet, slick with chemicals, and gritty with rust, all at once. That inconsistency is what you hear as a squeal and feel as a grinding in the pedal. That grinding sound is actually your brake pads doing their job, scraping that fresh layer of flash rust off the rotor to get back to clean metal. It sounds harsh, but the system is designed to clean itself this way. You'll notice this even more if you park the car overnight after a wash, especially if you have an electric parking brake. An electric brake clamps the pads onto the rotors with consistent force. This pressure squeezes out excess water and holds the wet pad firmly against the bare iron, creating the perfect conditions for them to rust together. That loud ka-klunk you hear when you first drive off is the sound of that weak rust bond breaking as the wheel begins to turn. You don't need to let this clear up on its own in traffic. You can safely clean and reset your brake surfaces in about 30 seconds. Before you even leave the car wash parking lot. This is sometimes called a snub brake or brake burnishing. First, find a clear, straight path where you can roll without interruption. Get the car moving slowly, no more than 10 miles per hour. Then, gently rest your left foot on the brake pedal, just enough to feel the pads make contact, not enough to stop the car. Hold that light, steady pressure for a few hundred feet. The goal is to use the gentle friction to generate just enough heat to boil off any remaining water, and let the pads sweep that layer of rust away, polishing the rotor surface. You might feel a slight shudder that smooths out. That's how you know it's working. If you skip this step, the noise will go away on its own after a few normal stops. The real issue isn't the sound, it's performance. Those first 1 or 2 stops in traffic might be unpredictable. The brakes could feel weak and mushy, or they might suddenly grab harder than you expect. This quick reset restores a consistent, reliable brake pedal from the very first stop. On cars with high-performance brakes, like drilled or slotted rotors, the effect can be more pronounced. Because there are more edges for rust to form on, the procedure to clear it is exactly the same. A predictable brake pedal is the foundation of safe driving, and this ensures you have one the moment you pull out onto the street.